Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can do a zoom out text transitions for your video edit in CapCut. So here you need to prepare your text clips like this and also your clips that you want to edit. And now just click on the text clip and add 3 keyframes at the end of the clip like this. Okay, and on the last keyframe, zoom out the text so it becomes smaller like this, and then zoom in a little on the second keyframe. Okay, and now go in between all of the keyframes and go to grabs, then select the ease in 3 for all of them, for all of the keyframes. Okay, so you are done. But lastly, you can also add a transition. So just click on a transition box, click on camera, then select the pull out transitions, and you are done. So here is the final result. Okay everyone, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. Bye bye.